There is an agreement. So please, put it in your mind that there is an agreement. And it is not an agreement forged by Duterte. Gusto kong mag-provide ng proof kay Dale that this agreement, yung gentleman's agreement na sinasabi mo, na yung sabi mo hindi totoo na merong agreement, ganyan-ganyan, yung mga ganun-ganun, na wala kang natatandaan na kahit anong agreement na in-enter, ganyan-ganyan. This is an article from 2013. So sino pang presidente niyan? 2013, Pinoy pa, 'di ba? Okay. At this point, napabalita na si China.
Is it gentleman or paper? Agreement in paper. Yun yung doon ako paper or verbal lang. Okay. Got it.
Okay, ngayon, ang verbal agreement na yan, yung verbal agreement na yan, nire-respeto natin yan, even if it is verbal. Look at the date of this article. It is May 29, 2013. Right?
Got it.
Okay. So ngayon, si China, niraise niya yung concern na, hoy, Philippines, ba't ka nagdadala ng construction material sa Ayungin Shoal? Okay? Anong sabi ni Gasmin? Sabi ni Gasmin, nag-meeting itong si Gasmin at saka yung counterpart ni Gasmin sa China. Ayan, Defense Secretary Voltaire Gasmin at saka si Chinese Ambassador to Manila Ma Keqing. Okay? Nag-meet sila sa isang event ng United Nations at ito yung napag-usapan nila. Ito ang sinabi ni Gasmin. Sabi ni Gasmin, they were concerned, China, with the Philippines coming up with additional structures in the Ayungin Shoal. And I told her that the ship that is moving towards Ayungin is only for provisions of food and water for soldiers who are there. Sabi ni Gasmin. Okay, now, punta tayo sa part na kung saan minention yung agreement. Sabi ni Gasmin, we will not violate the agreement not to construct new structures. So ngayon, alam mo na merong agreement. We told them that we're only bringing supplies for our troops there, like water, food. There will also be rotation of troops because we can't put our men there permanently or they'll go crazy. So now, as you know, this agreement is manifested in 2013. Okay? It does not prove kung 2013 nag-start yan. It could be earlier than 2013. But what I am telling you, Dale, is that an agreement is actually recognized during that time. Our Defense Secretary is recognizing it. 2013, bago pa maging presidente si Duterte.
Kaya nga bakit nila to biniblame kay Duterte? But because there was really an agreement.
Correct. There is an agreement. So please, put it in your mind that there is an agreement and it is not an agreement forged by Duterte.
So ayun yung na parang ang kasi is the media is not being honest. You know, there is so much dishonesty going on. And kaya nga ang sabi ko is magalit ka, you're entitled to your emotions, but remember, emotions are not reasons. No? You have to step back, magnilay-nilay ka. Ano bang nangyayari dito? Bakit ba ganito nangyayari?
Pwede lang bumaba ako kasi na-overlunch na ako, honestly. Sorry guys. Pero I heard the word. Thank you. And then, na-overlunch ako. I have to go. But thank you for answering, thank you for giving me your answers kanina.
Okay. Thank you.